Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today we're going over part 6 of adding new products to Inksoft, and now we're on the decoration tab. So we're going to come down here and we're going to manage the front first. And so our standard is called full front. And so now we're going to find SPFF, full front, and you can see that it's 11 by 14. So we're going to change the height to 14 here. And obviously that looks really wide for 11 inches. So what we're going to do is we're just going to shrink it in to about here. You know, you don't want this, this box taking up the entire shirt. So that looks good. Now we're going to go to left chest, which is, we're going to change that to our standard, which will be a left to right chest 4x4. Go ahead and click that. And unfortunately, it doesn't take the shirt size into consideration, so we're just kind of eyeballing this and trying to get it close to what would appear to be a 4x4. We're going to do the same thing. This is going to be a left and right chest. I'm going to shrink this down to about the same size. That placement's done. Moving on to the back, so we call this placement a full back, so we're going to change that. And same thing, we're going to find the SPFB, and our height is going to be 16. Go ahead and hit the pencil. Get out of there. All right, so same thing, we're just going to go ahead and shrink that in just a little bit, move it up to the top. The second back placement is going to be a locker tag. And again, we're going to find the LT, so it's 3x3. Plug that in. Make it a little bit smaller than our left chest and push it up to a locker tag position. I believe it's a 1.5 inch drop from the top, so something like that looks about right. Moving on to the sleeves here, we got right sleeve, so same thing. We're going to find SS, which is short sleeve. So that's 3.75 by 3. We'll go ahead and grab that. This is going to be an awkward placement based on the photo. So we're just going to put it there, and when people utilize the design tool, you know, it is what it is. It'd be awesome if within Inksoft you could rotate these print locations. But at this time, I don't believe that you can. So same thing here on left sleeve. We're just going to go ahead and find short sleeve. So short sleeve and long sleeve. Change that to 3. Go ahead and get that to fit. So that's it for the print regions, and I'm going to make another part of this video to go over how to price them. Thanks for watching.